Yums and plums welcome you all. Today we are going to make this Choco Dutch truffle cake. So let's start. For this we have dark chocolate. Then we are adding neutral gel to it. We are going to make ganache to pour on our cake. Amul fresh cream. The proportion that we are going to take is 2 is to 1. That is 2 of fresh cream, 1 portion of dark chocolate. And we will make ganache which will be of dripping consistency. See, it has to flow like this. We are ready with our ganache like this. Now we have chocolate base ready with us and we are going to cut layers out of it. It's really plummy, you can see that. We'll make equal layers. This is quite heighted, so we can cut 4 layers out of this base. Chocolate base that we are using for this recipe, this is chocolate cake, and are all 4 pieces ready. So let's clean the surface. Now we will add truffle cream for each layer. See this, and I'm adding choco chips in each layer too, since this is Choco Dutch truffle cake. Each layer will be first of all drizzled with water. You can add sugar water also. I'm using plain water as I want to have less sweet cake. Then we'll add truffle cream. I'm using here Tropolite truffle cream, which is readily available in the market. I've just whipped it in a thick consistency. Again we are going to add choco chips on it. It will taste too yummy. Kids will love it. This will be a bit tall cake as compared to normal. Okay. We will stack our cake properly. Even if it is not layered, the final layer will be properly leveled up. Don't worry. Abundant cream which will give soft texture to your cake. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Yums and Plums. If you really found these recipes useful, to like, share and subscribe this channel. Recipe for this chocolate cake base, I am providing its recipe in inbox below, description box. In description box you will find a recipe for chocolate base, how to make chocolate base. So we will crumble coat this cake first of all. It's not finished yet, but still I'll try to fill the gaps and give a basic shape for the cake. We'll fill entire gaps from which the cake is not in really level. I have already added other different designs of cakes on this channel. You can go all those videos through. basic crumble coat is ready. Now with the use of scraper, we'll give a finishing level to our cake. We'll try to give a finishing look to it. Excess cream will remove, and we'll try to fill all gaps. The ganache that we made earlier, now we'll pour that ganache on our cake. When we add neutral gel to our ganache, it gives a proper shine to it. You can see that. We are going to pour the entire ganache on this, and I want to cover the whole cake with this dark chocolate ganache. So slowly, with the help of spatula, we will spread all the ganache on this cake. Anyhow, the entire ganache is not visible as we are going to add choco chips on it. I want this cake totally filled and covered with choco chips. So we are first adding this ganache, so all choco chips will be sticking on this ganache. Now we'll put all choco chips on this cake. Ganache will help this choco chips to stick on the surface. So don't worry if the ganache is not all even on this cake. It's okay. We just want that ganache just to stick all choco chips. Okay, on sides, just we'll add this choco chips. Even if they are falling, don't worry, you can use them again, no issues. See, with the help of ganache, they are all sticking on its surface. If we won't put ganache, it's not that it will stick on the cream. So now the whole cake is ready, and we are spraying this with golden spray. These sprays are readily available in market. Golden color sprays, edible color is there, golden powder pumps. It will give a fine golden shine to our cake. See, it's glowing so beautifully. It's absolutely not necessary that you should color it. You can leave the cake as it is. That's it. But to give a more nice look to it, I'm adding golden shimmer to it. We have added golden chocolates and a tag. See how yummy and delicious it looks. It's really glowing beautifully. Really yummy chocolate cake. It's made for chocolate lovers. So do like, share and subscribe Yums and Plums. Thank you so much.